A wooden piece with a specific gravity of 0.6 has a square cross-section of 70 by 70 millimeters and a length of 1.5 meters. Determine the mass of lead that must be attached to one end so that the wood floats vertically in water with 0.3 meters projecting above the surface. The specific gravity of the lead is 11.2. Yung wood natin is oriented dito dahil supposed dito yung lead, nilagyan sa ng lead. So the cross-section is 70 mm square. It's not area, hindi niya sinabing 70 square millimeter. Iba yung 70 square millimeter at 70 millimeter square. So square yung ating section with a dimension of 70 by 70 millimeters. Yung length ng wood is 1.5 meters. Yung length ng wood. Floating in upright position with 0.3 meters projecting out in the water. So 0.3. Yung nakalubog sa tubig is 1.5 minus 0.3. You had 1.2 meters. Ilagay natin, ano yung mga forces na nantak dito sa wood? Una, merong weight yung wood. May weight ko yung wood. Meron ding weight yung lead. Lahat ng weight na andyan. Then, merong buoyant force. Buoyant force is always vertical upward. Okay? Yan yung nagpakalutang sa isang object. The buoyant force is gamma times volume. So, yung fundamental formula required dito in the solution is yung weight ng isang object is gamma of the object times the volume. Then, yung buoyant force is gamma of the liquid times the volume displaced. Yun siyang volume displaced or volume submerged in the water. Yung nakalubog sa tubig. Okay. Through mechanics, no? Iba-balance lang natin yung force, summation of forces vertical. We have buoyant force upward minus the weight of wood minus the weight of the lead. It doesn't matter ano yung itsura ng lead, basta nasa baba yan and it will contribute, magko-contribute yan doon sa forces. Pero yung panong is naka-kilogram. How many kilograms? So, weight ng lead in kilograms. So, mass ng lead yung hinahanap. Gagawin ko na sang density. So, density of the liquid, 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. Again, instead na unit weight, ginawa ko sang density kasi yung density is kilogram per cubic meter. Gamma, or density, volume displaced, yung volume ng wood na nasa baba, plus volume ng lead. Nag-contribute po yan sa buoyant force yung volume ng lead na nasa baba ng tubig or ng alubos tubig. Volume ng wood muna tayo. That is 0.07 square meter, that's meter, times volume submerged, times the height of 1.2. Volume displaced pa yan ng wood. Ito pa yan. Then volume of the lead, which is hindi natin alam. Yung meron lang is the specific gravity of the lead. Ito is just the buoyant force in terms of kilogram. Minus weight ng wood. Ano yung weight ng wood? Using the weight of object formula. Since there is a specific gravity of the wood, then the unit weight or density of wood can be written as specific gravity and price density of the wood. So yan yung mismong density ng wood. As the volume. Gamma volume. Ang volume ng wood, total volume siya. Ang displace, ginagamit natin sa buoyant force. The total volume niyan is 0.07 square times the total depth of 1.5. So, ito is the total weight of the wood. And minus weight ng lead. Ang weight ng lead is specific gravity of the lead times density of water. Ito yung density ng lead. As volume of the lead, which is volume of the lead. In this equation, as you can see, isang unknown tayo, that's volume of the lead. How many kilograms? That's the weight of the lead in terms of kilogram or mass of the lead. So, balik natin dito, mass is density. Density of the lead is the specific gravity times density of water. Okay? Nice volume of the lead. Ito yung volume ng lead. So, the answer will be 1.61 kilogram.